Find dy by dx if y is equal to x square plus 1 upon 2x plus 1. Now here we would be using the quotient rule to obtain dy by dx. So if this is our numerator and here we have our denominator. Now the quotient rule says derivative of the quotient is given by denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator upon denominator square. So applying the quotient rule, we get, so differentiating with respect to x, we have dy by dx is equal to 2x plus 1 into derivative of x square plus 1 minus x square plus 1 into derivative of 2x plus 1 divided by denominator square, that is 2x plus 1 the whole square. Now simplifying further, we have, now this bracket remains the same, that is 2x plus 1 into, now here we apply the addition rule, derivative of x square is 2x and derivative of 1 is 0. So we have 2x plus 1 into 2x minus, now this bracket remains the same, that is x square plus 1 into, again applying the addition rule, so 2 times derivative of x. Now derivative of x is 1. So basically it's 2 times 1, which is 2. And derivative of 1 is 0. So we just close the bracket. Divided by 2x plus 1 the whole square. Now let us simplify the numerator. 2x into 2x, that gives us 4x square. 2x into 1. So that's plus 2x. 2 into x square, that's 2x square and the negative sign here. So we have minus 2x square and 2 ones are 2 with the negative sign here. So we have minus 2 divided by 2x plus 1 the whole square. Now 4x square minus 2x square gives 2x square plus 2x minus 2 divided by 2x plus 1 the whole square. Now if you observe, we could take 2 as the common factor in the numerator. So finally we have 2 times x square plus x minus 1 divided by 2x plus 1 the whole square. So this is the value for dy by dx. Find dy by dx if y is equal to x square plus 1 upon 2x plus 3. Now here we apply the quotient rule of differentiation and obtain dy by dx. So differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to, we begin with the denominator, so we have 2x plus 3 into derivative of numerator, that is derivative of x square plus 1 minus the numerator, that is x square plus 1 into derivative of denominator, that is 2x plus 3 divided by the denominator square, that is 2x plus 3 the whole square. Now we proceed further. Now this term remains as it is, so we have 2x plus 3 into, now here there is addition, so we perform the addition rule. Derivative of x square is 2x, derivative of 1 is 0. So further we have minus x square plus 1 into, again addition rule. So 2 times derivative of x is 1. So 2 times of 1 is 2 and derivative of 3 is 0. So we just close the bracket, divided by 2x plus 3 the whole square. Now simplifying the numerator, 2x into 2x gives 4x square, 2x into 3, that is 6x, 2 into x square, 2x square, and the negative sign here, so it's minus 2x square, 2 ones are 2 and the negative sign, so we have minus 2 divided by 2x plus 3 the whole square. Further, 4x square minus 2x square gives 2x square plus 6x minus 2 divided by 2x plus 3 the whole square. Now in the numerator we could take 2 as the common factor. So taking 2 as the common factor in the numerator, we get 2 times x square plus 3x minus 1 divided by 2x plus 3 the whole square. So this is the value for dy by dx. Find dy by dx if y is equal to 2x square plus 1 upon x square plus 3x plus 2. Now in order to find the derivative, we will be applying the quotient rule. And the quotient rule is denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator upon denominator square. So this one is the numerator and x square plus 3x plus 2 is our denominator. So applying the quotient rule, we have, so differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to, we start with the denominator, that is x square plus 3x plus 2 into derivative of 2x square plus 1 minus 2x square plus 1 into derivative of x square plus 3x plus 2 and this entire thing upon denominator square, that is x square plus 3x plus 2 the whole square. Now if we simplify this further, we have, now this term remains as it is, that is x square plus 3x plus 2 into, now here we apply the addition rule and we take the derivatives of the individual terms. So 2 times derivative of x square, now derivative of x square is 2x, so 2x into 2 makes it 4x, and derivative of 1 is a constant, so its derivative value is 0. So we close the bracket, minus 2x square plus 1 into, now again the addition rule, and we differentiate each of these terms. So derivative of x square is 2x plus 3 times derivative of x. Now derivative of x is 1, so 1 into 3, that makes it 3, and derivative of 2, which is a constant, so its derivative value is 0. So derivative of 2 is 0, divided by x square plus 3x plus 2 the whole square. Now let us simplify the numerator. 4x into x square, that is 4x cube. 4x into 3x is 12x square. 4x into 2, so that is 8x. And now we multiply these two brackets. 2x square into 2x. 2 2s are, that is 4, and x square into x is x cube. So we have minus 4x cube. 2x square into 3. 2 3s are, that's 6. And we have the x square here. So minus 6x square. And now we multiply by 1. 1 into 2x is 2x, and the negative sign here. So minus 2x. 1 into 3 is 3. And the negative sign here, so we have minus 3. The whole thing divided by x square plus 3x plus 2 the whole square. And now 4x cube cancels with minus 4x cube. Now 12x square minus 6x square, so that is 6x square. 8x minus 2x, so that's plus 6x, and lastly we have minus 3 divided by x square plus 3x plus 2 the whole square. Now we could take 3 as the common factor in the numerator, so we have 3 times 2x square plus 2x minus 1 divided by x square plus 3x plus 2 the whole square. So this is the value for dy by dx. Find dy by dx if y is equal to 2x square minus 5 upon 3x square plus 1. Now we apply the quotient rule to obtain dy by dx. So differentiating with respect to x, we have dy by dx is equal to, we start with the denominator, so we have 3x square plus 1 into derivative of the numerator, that is 2x square minus 5, minus numerator, that is 2x square minus 5, into derivative of the denominator, that is 3x square plus 1, the whole thing divided by denominator square, that is 3x square plus 1 the whole square. So we have applied the quotient rule, and further we get this term remains as it is, that is 3x square plus 1 into, now here we take the derivatives of the individual terms, that is we use the subtraction rule. So 2 times derivative of x square. Now derivative of x square is 2x. So 2x into 2 gives 4x. And derivative of 5. 5 is a constant, so its derivative value is 0. So we close the bracket. Minus 2x square minus 5 into, here again we apply the addition rule. So 3 times derivative of x square. Derivative of x square is 2x into 3, so that makes it 6x, and derivative of 1 is a constant, so its derivative is 0. So again we close the bracket, divided by 3x square plus 1 the whole square. Now let us simplify the numerator. 4x square into 3x square, sorry, 4x into 3x square, so that is 12x cube. 4x into 1, so that's plus 4x. 6x into 2x square, and this minus sign here, so that is 12x cube. 6x into minus 5, that's minus 30x, and this minus sign here, so that is plus 30x, divided by the denominator square, that is 3x square plus 1 the whole square. Now if we further simplify, 12x cube cancels with minus 12x cube, and we have 4x plus 30x, so that is 34x divided by 3x square plus 1 the whole square. So this is the value for dy by dx. Find dy by dx if y is equal to x cube plus 3 upon x square plus 1. Now the derivative could be obtained by applying the quotient rule over here. And the quotient rule is denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator upon denominator square. So applying the quotient rule, we have differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to x square plus 1 into derivative of x cube plus 1 minus x cube plus 1 into derivative of x square plus 1 divided by x square plus 1 the whole square. Now proceeding further, we get, now this term remains as it is. I'll just extend this a bit. The first bracket remains as it is, that is x square plus 1 into, now here we take the derivatives of these two terms. Derivative of x cube is 3x square, derivative of 3 is 0. So we close the brackets, minus, now next we have x cube plus 1 into derivative of these two terms. Now derivative of x square is 2x, derivative of 1 is 0. And then we divide this by x square plus 1 the whole square. Now let us open this bracket here. Let's simplify this. So 3x square into x square is 3 times x raised to 4. 3x square into 1. So we have plus 3x square. Now 2x into x cube, that's 2 times x raised to 4 with the negative sign here. So minus 2 times x raised to 4. And 2x into 1, that's 2x, and the negative sign here, so that's minus 2x divided by x square plus 1 the whole square. Now if we simplify this further, we get 3 times x raised to 4 minus 2 times x raised to 4 is simply x raised to 4 plus 3x square minus 2x divided by x square plus 1 the whole square. Now taking x as the common factor in the numerator, we have x times x cube plus 3x minus 2 divided by x square plus 1 the whole square. So this is the value for dy by dx.